Discover the fundamental differences between mutual funds and ETFs and make informed investment choices today. When considering investment options, understanding the distinctions between mutual funds and exchange-traded funds (ETFs) is crucial. Here's a concise overview to guide your investment decisions. Mutual funds versus ETFs. Key differences. Aspect: mutual funds ETFs. Management style: typically actively managed by professionals aiming to outperform the market. Generally passively track a specific index, though actively managed ETFs exist. Trading flexibility: bought and sold at the end of the trading day at the net asset value (NAV). Traded throughout the day on stock exchanges at market prices, similar to stocks. Expense ratios often higher due to active management and associated costs. Usually lower, reflecting passive management and reduced operational expenses. Minimum investment may require a minimum investment amount. Can be purchased in single units, offering flexibility to investors. Performance examples: 5-year returns. Please note that past performance does not guarantee future results. Mutual funds. ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund Direct Plan Growth. This fund has delivered a 5-year return of approximately 26.5%. Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund Growth. Over a 5-year period, this fund has achieved returns around 26.3%. ETFs. Nippon India ETF Junior Bs. This ETF tracks the Nifty Next 50 index and has shown strong long-term performance, making it a suitable choice for growth-oriented investors. Bharat 22 ETF. Over a 5-year period, this ETF has provided returns of approximately 25.79%. Which is better for investors? The choice between mutual funds and ETFs depends on individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. Mutual funds are suitable for investors seeking active management and professional expertise, potentially leading to higher returns, albeit with higher fees. ETFs are ideal for cost-conscious investors desiring trading flexibility and lower expense ratios, especially those comfortable with passive investment strategies. It's essential to assess your financial objectives and consult with a financial advisor to determine the investment vehicle that aligns best with your goals. Please subscribe for more content and visit our website www.mudrafinvest.com.